There's everybody. Okay, so Team Virtual, my apologies. I was supposed to wait for the slide to come on, so I apologize for that. But once again, we have Wayne Beckett and Christopher Watson from Printing Expo Online and Printing Connect Online. Gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hi, Deborah. How you doing?
Good, thank you so much. We're continuing our international section right now. So, Wayne, you are sitting at a trade show, it seems. Maybe tell everybody what's going on behind you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Deborah. Thanks for inviting us along. Yes, Printing Expo Online is a virtual trade show. We launched the show coming up 3 years ago. It's free to visit, www.printing-expo.online. You can come in, it's open 24/7, 365 days a year. And we have machines, we have exhibition stands, we have showrooms, there's seminar centers. So what we've tried to do is not create an event to replace live exhibitions. As you know, Deborah, we love a live event. We were both at Printing United last week. This is something to bridge the gap. This is to give OEMs and vendors the opportunity to promote their business 365 days a year. Everybody tells us that, meeting people is great and greeting them and shaking their hands. And I agree totally. We did a lot of that last week, and looking forward to Drupa. We'll be doing the same again there. But as I say, this is an opportunity for printers, print service providers all over the world to come and visit a trade show, have a look around, and it tends to be all levels. You tend to find the more senior people tend to go to, the sort of ordinarily trade shows. But with a virtual, even if you work on the shop floor, if you're a machine minder, you can still come in and have a look around. And we've got some great environments. As you can see over my shoulder, we have Digital Pouch Factory from HP that's got the Indigo 25K in there, and it shows flexible packaging from start. We have a pre-press room right the way through to finishing. You can't quite see it, but just over my shoulder is the Muller Martini showroom. They've got 9 full production lines. Then we've got Zycon, we've got Kornit, we've got, I think there's about 50 exhibitors that we've got, but they're really interactive environments that you can go in and take a look around. And as I say, we launched, it'll be 3 years, Chris, in November.
Three and a half years coming up.
3.5 years. And we're glad to say that we've just gone over 100,000 visitors. From just about every country in the world. So it's a real way for OEMs and suppliers to promote themselves, and it's just a fun platform to go in for print service providers just to have a look around. And you can watch videos, you can download brochures. The world's your oyster, really.
It really is. And, it's a testament to how realistic everything is. When I see, even at trade shows, some of your exhibitors are showing people presses that maybe they haven't carried around with them, or equipment that is on your trade show floor, that is a working replica of what is going on now. So that's easy enough to register for. And there are links in the chat that have been put in there that everyone can go over to Printing Expo Online. As Wayne said, it's totally free to register. Just sign up, take a look around. There's a theater where all the replays from International Print Day will be playing, as well as you have very generously, played Project Peacock videos through there, a Girls Who Print event. So I really appreciate your partnership. And this year, starting actually as of tomorrow, we're taking our partnership to the next level. Chris, why don't you tell everybody what Printing Connect Online is, please?
Okay, so Deborah, 3 months ago, Wayne and I have been talking about doing this for quite some time, actually. So we wanted to launch a platform, a global platform, which is a central hub for printers to be able to promote themselves to people from across the world, whether that's to potential print buyers. So print buyers from across the world can log on to Printing Connect online. They can browse printers by products that they produce. They can browse by location. So we thought perhaps a printer may be receiving an order for perhaps producing some posters or some large format printing that's got to be delivered to another country. Well, wouldn't it be good if they could go onto a platform and say, I'm looking for large format printers in the States or in Australia, and actually communicate or contact that printer and say, look, I've got an order, rather than having to ship it across multiple countries, can you produce this order? So they can go onto our platform, look for printers from any location in the world and find that printer. It also allows printers to promote themselves to buyers, that perhaps it makes it easier. So to have one central hub where printers can promote themselves to anybody across the world. We also have OEMs on there that are promoting themselves with the latest equipment that they're producing, the latest service they're providing. So again, printers can find one location, say, I'm looking for somebody who can produce, I'm looking for a bit of equipment that can do large format printing. So they can browse all the OEMs that are on there by what service they provide, what equipment they're producing, what their latest videos are, that case studies. So it's one location where you can find information practically about anything within the printing industry. And we've had, as I said, we've launched probably in mid-July. We've had 27,000 unique visitors onto the website already. We've got nearly 9,000 members that have joined up to the platform. So it's growing and growing. And we promote printers that are on there through our social media channels. We do e-shots across some of our members that are on there. Again, they can join either on a free membership or they can upgrade to a gold membership, which is only £40 a year. Printers can upload promotional videos, put their products on there, promote any events that they're taking part in as well. We've also just launched a showcase for members that are going to exhibiting at Drupa. So again, it's a central location where some of our members, some of the OEMs that are actually exhibiting at Drupa can have a central location where they can promote what they're showing at Drupa in the lead up to that. And as part of that package, we'll do promotional e-shots for the members that are on there to say, look, if you're thinking of going to Drupa, this is potentially what you could go and have a look at.
Excellent. Go ahead, Wayne, and then we'll wrap up.
I was just about to say as well, and to celebrate, of course, International Print Day, if you sign up for our gold membership, which, as Chris said, is only £40 per year, and use the coupon code IPD24, you can get a 25% discount.
Excellent. Well, I have to say that, you know, life is a series of timing and knowing the right people. And certainly as the intergalactic ambassador to the Printerverse, I am, you know, very honored and humbled that I get to meet amazing people. But it just so happened that I was starting to create a directory for the Printerverse when Wayne and Chris reached out and to see if there was a way that we could work together. And why reinvent the wheel? Look at the success that they've already been having. So I plan on lending my efforts to growing this directory, to creating a one-stop shopping for all people's printing needs, whether they need looking for partners, whether they're looking, their customers looking for someone to help them with their work. But certainly now we are all in this together. And I'm sorry, Wayne, but now I'm Chris. Now I haven't known you as long, but I've known Wayne for a very long time. And now we are stuck together like barnacles. So thank you guys so much for everything that you've done for the industry and really for keeping the community going during the pandemic, which is when you launched your virtual event, and certainly the ongoing success of it means that there is a need. And I will say this again to all the live event producers here. One does not negate the other. They
No.
can work together, and it is time to start getting out of this is the way we do things around here, and
exactly.
start looking at bigger opportunities to reach everybody who can't afford a plane ticket or a train ticket, or just to leave their print shop, or because there's not enough people working there. So think bigger, think global, think Printing Expo Online and Printing Connect Online. Thank you, gentlemen, so much. We've been putting links in the chat, but maybe you want to go back in as an attendee and just put the offer in. IPD24 is a coupon code. Thank you guys so much. We're going to go to a commercial, and then we're going to come back with our next session. Thank you.
Thank you, Deborah.
Thanks,
See you
Deborah.
soon.
Cheers.
Bye.